Hey all, this is a quick video for this turbo fan, and this is the box came in. In the box you get your instructions, your warranty card, you have a USB-C cable here, and in this box you have all the accessories that are listed in the advertisement. They're all there with a charging block included. So that's what you get in the box. As far as the unit itself, just show you a couple of things here. If I can get this back on, okay. Pretty simple. You turn on and off, you hold the button, and you see you've got 3 lights. That means you're on 3rd gear. If you push the button once, you're on 2nd gear. Push the button again, you're on 1st gear. And then you have your toggle switch here. It's actually just a button to start blowing. So that's low. I know you can't see anything on my flush. It's not blowing my flush or anything like that. It's a fairly low speed. I would say this would be good for blowing out electronic parts and stuff like that. Then if I release, it's still blowing. Then I can tap it off. If I go to 2, you see now that it is holding my skin and it's a lot louder. And if I go to 3, super strong. And just to give you an idea, this box again has a block charger in it and some other stuff. And if I just, there goes the box and a whole bunch of other stuff off my table at the same time. So lots of air pressure. This thing is lightweight too, and does a really good job. You could, blow some pretty heavy stuff with this. So overall, nice unit, and it's right now. The price tag is interesting. It's $129 Canadian with a $40 coupon off, so $89. So I would say, it's a big investment unless you really need something like this. But if you're, finding you need something like this often, I would say this is a really good tool. So I hope this helps.
This is a Violent Turbo Fan, F31 by CCV. Basically, it is an air blower, very compact, easy to use, and you get the air blower, you get a USB block to charge, a USB-C cable, so it is rechargeable. You also get a lot of little brushes and tools to use to clean, say, devices, laptop, get into cracks to clean, and then you get a carrying case as well as a warranty card and one little booklet for the user manual. Very self-explanatory. The USB-C charging port is here. You have a power button here, so basically press and hold, and you'll see 3 lights show up. That's going to be on high. So when it's on high, the 3 lights, you press it. I can feel, as you can see, everything's just glowing away. Very powerful. And so when it's on 3, you have to press this down for it to work. When it's on 2 or 1, you press it and you can let go and it'll continue to work. So that's on low. That's medium. Still quite powerful, but not as powerful as high. Taking that whole box. So quite powerful, really good. I think I'm gonna dust with it. It's a really amazing tool to have. Cleans out your laptop, keyboard and stuff like that. So highly recommend the Violent Turbo Fan. It definitely is.
Let's check out this turbo fan. Very nice. CCV, what that means. Check it out. Amazon product review. Let me try and get this damn thing open. Okay. Okay. Comes with a thank you for choosing. 12 months warranty. Nice. Offers a lot. This is the product right here, user manual. All right, let's see what we have here. Oh, it's detachable, magnetic. All right. USB charger, accessories, a little brush. Clean out your little whatever you're doing. I'm gonna use it for my RC car, so let's see. Oh, nice. Whoa. This thing is powerful. Love the blue light. Brushless motor, of course. That's why it's so small and compact and powerful. I'll be using this for my RC cars to keep them clean. Man, I love this little fan. Yeah, pretty sweet. Definitely recommend this product. All right. This thing, look at that. What the hell out of this? It looks like I'm making it up, but it's weird.